It's been a terrific year for my portfolio. I am up well over 11% in my portfolio year to date. It includes stocks, bonds, cash, and crypto. And a couple of stocks have really been the reason why my portfolio is just really going up nicely. And the first one that I'm going to cover is Meta. Meta is the biggest holding that I have in my portfolio. I own $320,000 of Meta. So it's a big position. And it's gone up 25% year to date. And what is super impressive is for 20 straight days, it has closed at a higher price than it did prior, 20 days in a row without a down day. That is really, really exciting. Now, Meta has a terrific strategy. They find themselves in a great position. As AI becomes really something, Meta is going to capitalize on AI. They have over 4 billion people that log into a Meta app every month, and they can distribute AI to all those people. Really, really exciting. I have a buy rating on Meta. And the reason for it is that the stock, even though it's gone up so much, their cash flows are so high, their earnings per share is so impressive that I still think the stock is discounted by 23%. It's still discounted, even though the stock's gone up as much as it has. And again, it's based on the intrinsic value of free cash flows and the intrinsic value based on earnings per share. So Meta is just a terrific company with a terrific strategy and a very bright future. So that's the first stock I'm going to cover, and that is the fifth best performing stock in my portfolio. Coming in at number 4 is New Holdings, which is a financial services company down in Brazil, servicing Brazil, Argentina, Mexico, other Latin American countries, as well as Germany. This company has had terrific revenue growth, and year to date, the stock is up 32%. What I like about their strategy is they're banking a lot of people that have had no bank account in the past. It's the first time they have a banking solution, and New Holdings is providing it to them. That's true organic growth, really exciting. Gives me the opportunity to invest outside the US, which is really positive. And it's been a real winner, 32%, just a phenomenal, phenomenal growth rate. This is not a big position, it's a smaller position. I took the position in 2024. Very happy to see that it's really working in 2025. New Holdings has a bright future, and I will continue to buy shares into this stock going forward. When I look at the intrinsic value of this stock and see where it's priced, it is still being discounted by 32%. My price target on the stock is $18.14, and it's currently priced at $13.70. So I'll continue to buy into New Holdings. Coming in third place is CVS, and it is great to see this company bounce back after having a really bad 2024 and 2023. But this stock's really on a tear. They announced their earnings, and they had terrific earnings. It has a very low forward PE. The stock is just generating cash, high dividend of 4%. Analysts believe it's discounted. I believe it's discounted. And the market's really responding. It's up 46% year to date. So CVS has been a big winner, and I expect more things from CVS. I think it's going to continue to go higher. Reason for it is they're in a space that's really going to weather any kind of recession or any kind of downturn. There is no tariff that's going to affect healthcare. So in the case of CBS, I think they're discounted by 27%. My price target's $83.37, but the stock's only trading at 65. So I think I have more upside. As this stock gains more momentum, I think it's going to be discovered by more investors, and they're going to take the stock even higher. So I've got really high expectations for CBS, and I will continue to buy shares into this awesome company. Coming in second place is Alibaba, and it has been winning in 2025. Thanks to DeepSeek, investors have been more open to investing in Chinese stocks in 2025. And Alibaba has come out with their AI solution, which is going to be partnered with Apple going forward. That was part of the reason why this stock's really been working. It's up 47% year to date. That is tremendous. And this stock has a great story ahead of it. Alibaba needs to dominate in Asia, needs to dominate in China, and it can do business in other parts of the world. Africa, Latin America, Europe, Middle East, and of course the US. It's a terrific company that has very valuable businesses. So I'm glad that I own a big position in Alibaba. I think this stock's fairly priced. So I'm holding my big position in Alibaba. I'd love to see this stock go even higher, maybe double for the rest of 2025, and really reward long-term stockholders like myself who have believed in Alibaba for a while and really expect this company is really going to go up in value as more investors buy into Alibaba. And the number one stock in my portfolio is Robinhood. And I've believed in Robinhood's strategy for some time. I really like how they've taken an innovative approach at financial services, have come up with products that fit the clientele they're looking for. They haven't followed the rules of the old brokerages. They created their own rule book, and the old brokerages have to adapt to how Robinhood does business. We can thank Robinhood for zero cost trades. Robinhood is flourishing in crypto. They have a banking side of Robinhood. A lot of good things to like around Robinhood, and the market really likes their strategy and their execution. Really profitable. They grew so much. I really love this stock, and it has gone up 400% in my portfolio over the last couple of years. And just this year alone, in the 6 weeks we've traded, it's up 75%. Overall, I think this stock is fairly priced with a very small discount of 5%. My position in Robinhood has gotten very big because it's gone up so much. So I'm going to hold the shares that I own, but I still think this stock is going to continue to amaze the market, come out with products that the market really likes, innovate and disrupt the established financial services companies. And now it's become too large, I believe, to acquire. And they may be the acquirer of smaller businesses that would really make them bigger, stronger, and more valuable. So those are my 5 top stocks from top to bottom. It's been an excellent year. It's been a lot of fun and very gratifying to find quality companies, and other investors think highly of them and have bought those stocks and really raised the stock prices higher. I expect that those stocks are going to continue to perform in 2025. And the rest of the year, I'm looking to lock in this great appreciation rate and have a super 2025. Hope you found those 5 stocks that I covered interesting. I'd love to get your thoughts on what you think about those companies. And let me wish you the best of success in investing going forward.